Hi there, I'm Nera. Welcome to a new video about artificial intelligence. If you still think that FreeChat GPT is only good for doing homework or answering questions, you're wasting an incredible tool. Stick around and you'll see. I'm sure together we'll discover features that many people still don't know about. Did you know you can have a personal assistant, a teacher, a designer, a programmer, a translator, and even a coach? Now that summer is coming, and all of this is completely free. And no, I'm not talking about having 5 different apps. I'm talking about having a single app, which is ChatGPT. A lot of people think that if you don't pay for ChatGPT Plus, it's only good for asking a few simple questions. But the truth is that the free version has improved a lot, and today I want to show you everything you can do without spending a single euro. Because you're probably already paying for tools that ChatGPT can replace. Let's take a look. First of all, it can answer any question you have. You can ask it practically anything, from how artificial intelligence works to explain World War II to me as if I were only 10 years old. For example, you can see it here. I asked it exactly as I told you. Explain World War II to me as if I were 10 years old. And it adapts the answer to the level we've requested. And if something isn't clear to me, I just have to say, explain it to me another way, or give me an example. And it starts over again without any problem. It's like having a teacher available 24 hours a day. Secondly, it is incredibly versatile because it can write almost any type of text you can imagine. Kikasas, it can effortlessly draft professional emails, formal complaints, polished resumes, engaging social media posts, detailed product descriptions, or even creative scripts just like the one you are listening to right now. Imagine a situation where you have to write a very important email for your job or even a formal message to your teacher, and you realize that you have written 4 different things completely wrong, or rather, they were just very poorly written and unprofessional. Sorry about that. Or simply, I'm not happy with how this term went and I want to tell my teacher in a polite way. And ChatGPT turns it into a professional email. As you can see, here it gives us the option to make it more formal, more direct, more respectful, more thoughtful. After getting this first response, we can, as you see here, ask it to be even more formal, more approachable, or to make it longer or shorter. And ChatGPT will adapt it in seconds to whatever you need. Thirdly, and also very interesting, is that it can help us learn any skill. We can ask it to teach us practically anything. Excel, programming, learning English, photography, video editing. It can even prepare, for example, a learning plan for us from scratch. For example, we can tell it that we want to learn English by dedicating only 15 minutes a day. ChatGPT will suggest exercises, correct our answers, and gradually increase the difficulty, all within the same conversation. Fourthly, and this can also be very, very useful, is that it can analyze images. We can easily upload high-quality photos of a screenshot showing an error, a physical document or paper, a specific plant, a device we have at home for which we've misplaced the original instruction manual, or even a complex math, physics, or chemistry exercise that we are currently struggling to solve on our own. You tell it exactly what you need and give it a brief description of what appears in the image, and it can even help you solve those exercises from those difficult subjects. Fifth, and one of my personal favorites, is that it can help us organize our daily lives. It serves as a personal assistant for us. I can ask it to prepare a weekly menu, to organize a trip, to design a workout routine, for going to the gym, or even to make a study schedule for those end-of-term exams that are so tough. And it can even help us keep track of our weekly or monthly budget, or a budget that we have set aside to spend on any of the things we have planned, buying a car, a bicycle, whatever it may be. I'm going to give you an example of something that obviously I wouldn't mind doing again, and that's going to Tokyo. Here, I asked it to plan a 4-day trip to Tokyo for me and to see what it suggests and what I can see. It tells us that on the first day we can get acquainted with the city, Shibuya, traditional Tokyo, pop culture, modern areas, shopping, farewells. But from here, we can tell it if I'm traveling with kids, if I'm a big geek, if I like Pokemon, if I like anime. And in this same chat, as we provide more requirements and needs, it will keep adapting that 4-day trip to Tokyo so that we have time to see everything we like in that great city and in that amazing country, Japan. Sixth, it can help us with programming. And this feels like something out of the movie Minority Report. I just made myself feel really old. You probably don't even know it. In any case, making a website might seem like something from another planet, another world, or another era, but we can actually ask it to create a simple page with a calculator, a small game, or even to explain code that we don't quite understand. For example, if an error appears on our website, we can copy it, ask it to find the problem, optimize it for us, and if we're learning to program, this is probably the best tip I can give you because it saves us from having to hire tutors, like I had to do, just to analyze code and figure out where that pointer that's pointing to null is. Seventh, we can create images. We can generate images simply by describing what we want. Imagine you have a birthday party or some event, whatever it may be, or that you want, as we mentioned before, to create your own website. ChatGPT can create a logo for that website, for my channel, a thumbnail for social media, or even design a poster for the event or party you're going to have. Just give it the idea, even the Pantone or the colors you want to use, or say that you want it based on nature or anything else. And the more details you give it, the better the illustration will be. What you need to keep in mind is that when we ask it for images, it's a little slower. That's why I went ahead and asked it earlier so you can see the result. Here I told it to design a logo for a new artificial intelligence website, and I told it that blue is my favorite color. And this is the proposal that ChatGPT gave me. From here, as always, we can go on to tell it that we want the letters in a certain way, or to add one background or another. As you can see, from now on, we can have the best themed parties. In 8th place, it can help us search for information, which is also very useful. It's one of the things that has improved in ChatGPT. In the past, we could ask it about old news, and one of the improvements it has incorporated is that from now on, it already has up-to-date information. Therefore, we can ask it about current news, sports results, comparisons, train or plane schedules, whatever, or information about companies or any current topic you can think of. Of course, when it comes to important information, it's always worth checking the sources that ChatGPT uses. And that's it for this video of tips. As you can see, the free version of ChatGPT can help us study, work, write, learn, get organized, program, create images, and solve a ton of everyday problems, all without having to pay. Yes, it's true that there is a paid version with more features and higher limits, but for most people in our daily lives, the free version can already cover all the needs we might have. Now, I just want to know one thing. What do you use ChatGPT for? Let me know in the comments, tell me what you use it for, and we'll expand with more videos with more details to see if I can come up with a tip you haven't discovered yet. And if you want a second part with little-known general tips to get even more out of it, leave a like and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. This is Nera signing off.